ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I basically touch up my wig. This wig is from WorldNewHair, and it's just like the curly wig. It came a little bit small, so I'm over here adjusting it and trying to fit it to my best ability to my head. So like it just made it. So as you can see, like I've installed it so the ends are coming up. So I'm just going to go ahead and so basically this is the ball cap, and I've put it too far ahead because it's too small, so I have to cut and snip a little bit away. So going ahead and doing that first. And as you can see one little brown strip of like hair. Just because I like accidentally got the bleach on the hair, so but I kind of liked it, so I left it. And I'm using the Erica J glue in the end of my rat tail comb and making sure it is really smooth, and going in with the hot setting on my blow dryer to let it dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and tack it down. I'm only wearing this wig for probably like 1 or 2 days, so I'm only gonna use one layer. And yeah, so you want to hold that down. And then I'm doing the other side. So as you can see, this video is pretty straightforward and pretty simple, but I wanted to show you guys like how I kind of touch up my wigs when, they are lifting or whatever. So yeah. And I love this hair because it's really simple, like on the go. I like curly hair in the summertime because you don't have to worry about it, and you can literally get up and go because, you can just put some water in it or something and don't have to style it or whatever. So yeah, I really love that part about it. And I'm just going and cutting off the excess lace from the ear tabs and just fitting it to my head. So the whole video is basically just, laying down the hair, playing with it, and yeah, just go in and put some product in the hair and lay it down. So yeah, I'll leave all the links to the products that I use down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, also don't forget to check out the hair. It will be linked down below as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. I feel like it's self-explanatory from here. As you can see, I'm just parting the hair. I'm going to put in some product and do the baby hair. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. I just love the hair. Look at it. It looks so fluffy. Everything is laid and slayed, as you can see, and it was really, really simple to do. So I would really highly recommend this hair, really suggest it. It was so simple. I love the hair texture. It's like the curly hair that I love to go for in the summertime. So yeah, I'll leave the links down below. Make sure you guys check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.